Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. What is Swedish cleaning? She conquers millions of women. Not so long ago, 80-year-old Swedish artist Margareta Magnussen wrote the book The Art of Mortal Cleansing. How to free yourself and your family from lifelong confusion. The name casts discouragement, but in mortal cleaning, it's not about death and not about ways of wiping dust and washing the floors. It's a completely new approach to organizing life and own space. The book will help you bring order to life. It is about a special form of organization that will make everyday life more smooth and pleasant, clean the house of empty rubbish and protect children and grandchildren from unnecessary worries in the future. Margareta offers to look back at your life and think, and who generally will need all your things when you do not become. And proceeding from this principle, keep only what is important and makes you happy. I often ask myself, will someone be happier if I leave this thing? If the answer is no, I get rid of it. Everything that is of value to you will become an unnecessary rubbish for others. In addition, things that will remain after you can cause quarrels and conflicts between family members. And worse, if your children have to pay someone to throw out all of the unnecessary things. In addition, Magnussen insists that such cleaning is not at all a sad occupation, but, on the contrary, a pleasant time when you can overestimate your life and leave in memory only the most precious memories. Of course, you do not need to think about death, starting with the 40k, but it's still worth thinking about your habits. At least stop collecting and buying a bunch of things that neither you nor your children will ever need. This system is suitable for absolutely any age, a chip in the organization of your life and space. But it is especially effective after 50 years. Do not become Plyushkin, do not save things. A few tips. The process should be slow and take some time. Tell your friends and family about your plans and offer them things that you no longer need. Perhaps they will be happy to use them. To make it easier, start with a closet or wardrobe. Do not start with photos, letters or postcards. Otherwise, you will get stuck in all these memories. If there were any secrets in your life that could upset or injure your children or grandchildren, do not leave them behind. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.